boys and girls, it's Mrs. Effort and it's time for our class. Today we're going to be drawing tulip flowers. Some of you may have a lot of them growing in your yard at this time of the year. What you'll need to start is a piece of paper and a pencil, and then anything you want to use to color it with afterwards. So let's get started. We're going to start on one side of the paper near the top, and we're going to make a curved line that comes to a point and another curved line that comes to a point. Then about halfway down that shape, we're going to do that again, except we're going to curve it out. And then this time we're going to curve it down and it's going to touch the bottom. Kind of looks like the letter V. Next, we're going to add the inside to the tulip. And these are just going to be little zigzaggy shapes, and you can have them touch. I'm going to make 3 inside of mine. We're going to make a second tulip, and we're going to start on this side of our paper. And we're going to use the letter U. Try to make it about the same size as the first one, if you can. Then we're going to start at the top of that U, and we're going to curve the shape down till it touches the bottom about in the middle. Then we're going to do the same over here. Curve it down. And it's okay if they don't touch. It's okay if they do touch. You have to decide how you want it to go. Like we did on this tulip, we're going to make the inside. But this time I'm going to curve mine. If you want to make yours pointy again, you can. Then we're going to add the stems. We're going to start at the bottom of the petals, and we're just going to curve our line down. You can make it as long or as short as you like. When I make the stems for the second flower, it's going to stop when I get to the first flower, almost like it's hiding behind it. Next, we're going to add some leaves. I'm going to start at the bottom of the first stem, and I'm going to curve my line up. Then I'm going to curve it back down until it hits the stem. I'm going to skip over the stem and curve it down so it looks like it's hiding behind the stem. To make my leaf for this petal, I'm going to start at the bottom of the first stem, and I'm going to curve it up to a point. Then curve it down till it hits the petal. This way it kind of looks like they're overlapping each other. What you can do now is you can add the ground. You can even connect these here if you want. I might even make a couple petals on the ground, like they fell off the petal, because that sometimes happens when the wind blows. And then you can color your petals in your ground any way that you want, using whatever materials you want. Crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you again. Bye.